Good afternoon. This is the Iron Trader here. It's Wednesday the 15th. Today we're going to go over the indexes, the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ. Now, at the beginning of the day, they sold off really hard. At the end of the day, they came back. Don't read too much into that. That's basically just short covering. At the end of the video, I will have all the key support levels posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, or ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, first we have the Dow. Well, you can see the Dow here. It double topped, and then it tried to retest, couldn't go through, and then come right on down. Now, the key level here is you want to watch is going to be this 200 SMA on the weekly. And then what you want to do is watch the 50-day on the monthly, and then the retest here on the monthly, if this gets selling off real hard. Now, if you look at all these SMAs are crossing below the 50-day, the 8, the 21. That's never a good sign. So just looks like lower prices are more to come. Okay, the S&P, same thing. You see where the SMA, the 8 to 21, crossing down below. That's never a good sign. When it rallies up, you see how they cross back above. Now, you just have to look at the key support levels. You want to look at the 200-day on the weekly chart, the 50-day here on the monthly chart, and then the retest at 34.91.58. Okay, if that loses, then you could actually go lower. But let's just look at these key support levels, especially this 200. If this can hold, then it'll be okay. But more banking stuff comes up, this could go a lot lower. So just prepare yourself. Okay, now we have the NASDAQ. Now the NASDAQ here is looking pretty good. I posted the other day a NASDAQ chart. And I was telling you about this 8-day that's crossed, or 50-day, which is crossing above the 200-day. That's always a good sign. And you see how it pushed the price up. Now, you had a pretty good size engulfing candle here. If you can hold this 21-day, then you're pretty good. If not, then you have to look next is the 8-day, the 50-day, the 200-day. And the key is going to be this 200-day, this weekly. That's going to be very, very key support, and also the 50-day on the monthly chart. Now, just remember, next week, you got Powell's going to come out with the rates. I think he's still going to raise the rates a quarter point, probably for the next 3 meetings. I know there's a lot of financial issues. I get all that. But the inflation, when you look at the CPI, you're still 6% year over year. That is still way high. And that's ex food, energy, and autos, and just get yourself prepared in case they do raise rates. It'd probably be a quarter point. I don't really see a half point at this situation and this time, but I do see a quarter point. So just trade the market accordingly. Now, the NASDAQ, how I like trading this is with the ETF TQQQ. Now, you can pick a stock, Amazon, Microsoft, Netflix, Meta, whatever. If you look at the TQQQs, okay, it's a nice solid ETF with all the good stuff, including Costco and Tesla are in there, okay? And it's a 2 times leverage fund. I trade this small, just 2,000 shares, and I look for 2 points a day. Okay, so if you can do that, you're looking at 4,000 a day. It's not too bad, okay, in this kind of a market. So just keep your trades tight, okay? Don't have an opinion, and you will make money. All right, I'll see you on the next video.